Hey everybody, welcome back to my BakeLikeAPro YouTube channel. I'm going to do a really fast chocolate tutorial. I have a little airbrush machine here, airbrush ready to go. I have a little piece of acetate. This is food safe plastic, and I've just locked it down on the table with an earth magnet. So I've got some tempered dark chocolate in a piping bag. And I'm just going to start making a little circle here. It's good, just like that. Take your airbrush and now just start going gently over the top. And you can see all of the neat effects that it's doing. Make them large, make them small. I think that's pretty cool. So I've tried to get as close as I can. I've moved the camera. I'm actually behind the camera now because the lighting is much better on my side, and you can see all of those highlights and the ups and downs. Really, really cool. So we're going to let this completely firm up, and then we'll peel it off the acetate later on, and then I'm going to show you what it looks like for the final product. But amazing what you can do with some chocolate and an airbrush. Isn't that amazing? So let's do another one. Okay, let's do two. Get our airbrush. See, if you get really close, you can do different designs. If you go too close, you'll actually get a little bit too thin there. That looks pretty cool. I'm going to add a little bit to the middle here on that one, and then just even it out. There, perfect. So we'll let all three of those set up, and then we'll come back for a final look a little later on. So this is a few hours later, and I'll show you the first one. And we'll just lift that right off. You can see it just peels right off. And you can also see that there's a slight curve to the chocolate, and that's a good indicator that you tempered your chocolate really well. And then our two small ones, we'll just peel these off. Nice little shine. And then the next one. And look at that. So I've zoomed in a little bit just so that you could see this a little bit better. Look at all of the nice contours on the chocolate. And you can see in the middle where the airbrush was a little bit stronger, the chocolate isn't as thick. And then it builds up on the sides where the pressure from the airbrush was a little bit less. So if you were doing a large cake, imagine if you made about 8 of these and you had these all pushed in on the top of the buttercream on your cake. This would look pretty spectacular. And of course you would have people wondering how you made that fancy design, which is kind of cool. So that's it for this really fast video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you wish. And if you do subscribe, there's a brand new little notification bell that is also available. If you click that, you'll be notified via email every time I upload a brand new video. And if you're on Facebook, please check me out at facebook.com/BakeLikeAPro and give my page a like. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my really fast video, and I'll see you next time.